First thing first, comb your hair nicely. Then participate it into two parts. Then again participate front side and back side. Then separate your front side of hairs with the clutcher. Then make a high ponytail. Select highest position for your ponytail as much as possible. This is the topper position. Now open your front side of hairs and participate it into three parts. Now select a middle part of your hairs and comb it in a down direction. Now make a perfect puff which is suitable to your face size. Square with the bobby pins. Now cover your ponytail's rubber band with the rest of the hairs. Now participate your side hairs into two parts. Then select one part and make three partitions of braid. Open that braid. It helps to look so fuller compared to the normal braid. And place it in a opposite direction. If you braid in a left side, then place it in a right side and vice versa. Now make same braid in a opposite side, but both of the braids should be on the same level of your forehead, otherwise it will not look so perfect. Now join both of the braid and set with the bobby pins at that middle point. Now again make a same braid of your rest of the side hairs and repeat the first process. Our hairstyle is completed over here. Now next step is optional. If you want a high ponytail, then take a small clutcher and place it in the middle of your ponytail. With this technique, we can create a bouncy ponytail. And we are done. This is our final look. And if you like it, please show me a little love and press the like button. This is it, guys. See you in the next video. Till then, take care of yourself. For more hairstyles, fashion tips and tricks, DIY, makeup tutorial, clothing ideas, make sure to subscribe my channel, like my videos and share my channel also. Bye guys.